understand your song. I want to call you by your number.
It's Enyo.
Enyo.
Yes, ma'am.
What tribe is that?
Igala.
Okay. Agba.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now go. Okay. So, but I really want to see your face. Better. I want to see your face. And a fine boy now, so why you hide her? So what are you singing for us?
Assurance by Davido.
Okay, oh, make we hear her.
Sound it. Ha. Sound it. You are the one I want to. Before my liver starts to fail, you are the one I need to. Before cassava starts to raise, if I ever leave, me water carry me, they go far away, far away. See, I am looking for a sister. Chama, my lover, she gets the dollar, she the wear designer. Say I am looking for a sister. Chama, my lover, she gets in dollar, she the wear designer. So give me assurance, hey, assurance. I give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance, eh. Assurance, assurance, hey. I give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance, eh. Hey. Sound it, sound it, sound it. Love is sweeter. When money enter, love is sweeter. Pepper, so brother Mango got deliver. Call Anita, tell him say she come to go far away, far away. So I am looking for a sister, Chama, my lover. She enter Atlanta and cause disaster. So I am looking for a sister, Chama, my lover. She enter Sound it and cause disaster. So give me assurance, hey, assurance. I give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance, eh. Assurance, eh, assurance. I give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance, eh. Enyo, hey, sound it. Enyo, ooh,
Well done.
Enyo, if for nothing at all, if for nothing, at least you have succeeded in entertaining the audience. If for nothing. Now you see, sound it. Look at what is written there. What is it?
Sounding singing competition.
Emphasis on singing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, you have a very good stage presence.
Hello, can we please calm down?
You see, you have a very good stage presence. It's good. That kind of presence on stage will move an audience. But you see, let me ask, how long have you been doing this?
14 years, sir.
14?
Yes, sir.
How old are you?
20.
You're 20. So you've been singing since you were 6.
Yes, sir.
It's possible. Michael Jackson started singing when he was 5. So I will not argue with you. But I don't know, along the line, have you ever attended, been part of a music contest?
Yes, sir.
With judges like this?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, if they didn't tell you before, listen to me now.
Yes, sir.
It will help you. Eh? Learn to sing. Eh? Learn to sing. Don't come on stage and think you can use bragado, especially at the contest.
Yes, sir.
Personally, you did not impress me. So for me, it's a no.
Thank you, sir.
Enyo,
Yes, sir.
you are a very good entertainer.
Thank you, sir.
You have entertained us. You have made us smile. You have made us laugh. You have made some of us dance. That's entertainment. That too is in itself a very good thing. Down to what I really wanted from you, I didn't get the singing aspect of you, but I got the performer, the entertainer part of you, which is very good. And that's what Nigerian youths love. And because they love that, I think Sound It as a competition will give you a chance. Maybe not so much in the competition in itself, but probably a chance to entertain us again someday. But for the competition, however, for the competition, I would say no. But in the entertainment part of it, I think you have a shot, you're going to have a shot at something serious. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
There are a lot of musicians who are also entertainers.
Yeah.
I hope you know that.
Yes, ma'am.
They sing and they entertain. Beyonce is an entertainer, but she sings. Michael Jackson was an entertainer. I'm yet to say an entertainer like Michael Jackson, but he also sang. When you entertain, we also have to hear you sing. And I think for this competition, we're looking beyond just entertaining. We want to hear you sing. We want to know how well you can also sing. So don't ever think, it's not just about entertaining. You can also sing. You can sing and entertain at the same time. But for today, for you, it was so much about entertaining and not really singing. But we are here for a singing competition. So I'm sorry, but I also have to say no.
Thank you.
Well done.